This orange chiffon cake is light, fluffy, and bursting with fresh orange flavor. It rises tall, stays airy, and tastes like sunshine on a plate. Today I will show you step by step how to make it, along with my best tips to get that perfect rise and delicate texture every time. Add the sugar to the egg yolks and beat at medium speed until pale and almost doubled in volume. Then add the liquid ingredients, orange juice, vegetable oil, and orange extract to really intensify the citrus flavor. Keep beating until everything is fully emulsified. The mixture should look smooth, glossy, and completely cohesive. Now for the dry ingredients, add cake flour, baking powder, and salt. Sift them to remove lumps and ensure they are evenly distributed. Beat at medium speed until just combined. We stop here because as we fold in the orange zest, it will finish mixing everything together. This way, we avoid overmixing and the zest blends in evenly while keeping the batter nice and light. Add the cream of tartar into the egg whites, or you can use half teaspoon of lemon juice or white vinegar as a substitute. Either one helps stabilize the egg whites while we whip them. At the beginning, whip at medium-low speed until the egg whites become foamy. Once a layer of foam forms, start adding the sugar in 3 additions. Give it about 30 seconds to a minute between each so the sugar has time to dissolve. Once all the sugar is in, turn the mixer to medium-high speed and continue to whip until you reach the consistency where steep peaks form. Scoop a small amount of meringue into the cake batter to loosen the texture first. Always use a whisk at this step. It helps preserve as much air as possible in the batter. Then pour the batter back into the meringue. Gently fold everything together. When there aren't any white blobs left, switch to a spatula to make sure everything is well combined. Don't forget to carefully scrape the bottom of the bowl where unmixed batter often hides. You will know the batter is ready when it's light, cohesive, and falls off the spatula slowly and smoothly. Before pouring the batter, make sure your pan is clean and completely grease-free. Pour the batter into the 2 pans in one spot. This makes it easier to handle both the pan and the batter without making a mess. Then lift the pan a few inches high and drop it against the work surface to release any trapped air bubbles. Also, run a skewer through the batter to get rid of any small air pockets. Finally, gently shake the pan to level the surface if needed. Now bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Once it's done, invert the pan immediately to prevent the cake from collapsing. Let it cool completely in the pan like this. We start by adding the salt into the icing sugar and give it a quick mix. Add the chilled double cream to a chilled mixing bowl, then sieve in the icing sugar mixture to remove any lumps and make whipping smoother. Next, add the orange extract, orange juice, and the zest of 1 orange. Whip at medium speed until it reaches the consistency where steep peaks form. The cream should be thick but still spreadable, not too stiff and not too soft. Once it's ready, place it in the refrigerator until needed. Now the cake is completely cool with no sinking, just what I was hoping for. It's time to release it from the pan. Carefully glide a spatula around the sides of the pan, not the cake itself, to avoid tearing that delicate texture. Take your time here. Patience makes sure the cake comes out clean and tall. Once done, glide around the funnel. Just be extra gentle here since it's a tighter space. Then push the bottom up. The cake should release nicely. Next, run the spatula around the base to release it from the bottom of the pan. Once it's free, get your serving plate or cake stand ready, flip the two pans upside down, and the cake should come out whole and nice. The cake already smells incredible. I'm so tempted to dig in right now. But we are not done yet. Let's decorate it so it looks just as good as it tastes. And there you have it. Isn't she a beauty? This orange chiffon cake is tall, airy, and bursting with bright citrus flavor. Each bite feels like sunshine on a plate. Paired with the light orange whipped cream, it's refreshing, elegant, and so satisfying. You will find the full recipe link in the descriptions below, along with my best tips to help you get that perfect rise and soft, fluffy crumb. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with anyone who loves citrusy, refreshing bakes. It really helps the channel grow. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I always love hearing from you, and your question might even help out another home baker. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you will never miss a new bake. As always, thank you so much for watching. Your support truly means the world. If you love light and flavorful chiffon cakes like this, I have got a whole playlist just for you. Click the screen to explore more chiffon cake recipes and tips. See you there. Happy baking. Bye for now.